Hi, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be installing a bonnet guard on a 2018 Toyota Landcruiser 79 series dual cab. When you get your bonnet protector, it'll be packaged up in a plastic sleeve. At the end of the sleeve will be your hardware for it. So when you get the package, best thing to do is open up the nuts and bolts and make sure that everything is in there. What you should have in your pack is 2 abrasive strips for the 2 ends of the bonnet protector for the wing clips, just so when you put the wing clips on your bonnet, you're not scratching the paintwork. You'll also get 3 bonnet screw inserts. They go in underneath the bonnet, along with the 3 screws, and there is also 3 washers that come with it. On top of that, you've also got the 2 screws that go into the wing clips and the 2 washers that come with it as well. So that's all the equipment that you need. Next thing to do is take your bonnet protector out of its plastic sleeve. Grab a Phillips head screwdriver and get ready to install. Put the bonnet protector on the car. So we can see that we need to use that slot, that hole and that hole. The 2 outer holes on the bonnet are not needed. In these inserts, you may pay sometimes to get long nose pliers and just squeeze in the claws a little bit, especially if you're struggling to make it fit into the hole. Sometimes it can be a tight fit, and that should do the trick to get them in. As you can see, once all 3 of them are in, ensure that the boss head is facing horizontal in order to fit into the slots of the bonnet protector. Once you've got those inserts in, we'll put the bonnet protector over the top. You get your screw, your washer, put everything in there nice and not so tight to begin with, so we can push the bonnet protector to the left or to the right just to make sure that we do center it. Once you've got the bonnet protector centered, go ahead and tighten up all the screws. Once those 3 center screws are all tightened up, we'll just drop down the bonnet bonnet. Next step is to mark where the outer slots are, so we can put the wing clips on. Now, we'd like to mark where the slots are, just so we know where to put the abrasive strips. So the abrasive strip does cover the whole clip when it's over your bonnet. Now, you can either mark it with a highlighter, because a highlighter does rub off quite easily off the bonnet, or if you're feeling confident enough, while the bonnet is down like this, just put your hand underneath where it covers, and ensuring that half of the abrasive tape is on top of the bonnet and the other half wraps underneath the bonnet. Now, there's also an alcohol wipe that does come with the kit. If you want, you can use it to prepare the surface before putting the adhesive tape on there. This car has just come off the showroom floor, so there's no need for it. Once the abrasive tapes are on, get your wing clips. Get your screw in your washer. and we slide the wing clip just on the lip of the bonnet. Then we get our screw and washer. Screw that into there. Just hand tight, doesn't have to be overly tight. Just tight enough where it's not going to move anymore. Once that side's done, we'll do the same on the other side. And there we are. That's how to install the bonnet protector on a 2018 Toyota 70 Series Landcruiser. Thank you for watching and have a great day. We're going to be installing Weathershields on a 2018 Toyota Landcruiser 79 Series Dual Cab Ute. When you get your Weathershields, take them out of the packaging. And the first thing we do before we remove the backing of the tape is give it a dry run. Now these Weathershields are designed to sit flush with the door and come around. So once we're happy with where the Weathershield's going to sit, remove the backing. Like we did before, we'll square it up first with the edge of the door. Just nice and light. Follow it around. Just press on it nice and light just to make sure that we're happy with the way it sits. Once we're done, push down over the taped area. Just be careful when you are installing the rear visors because both ends look like they're the same width and the same shape. But if you pop it up against the front, you'll find that that lines up together. As if we turn it around the other end, it's substantially shorter. So the shorter end goes towards the outer part of the vehicle. Like you did with the front, give it a dry run just to be sure we're going to install it. That looks about right. Once we're happy with it, remove the weather shield and the backing of the tape. We'll just line it up with the square edge. Prop it on nice and lightly first, just to be sure that we're happy with it. When it's on a little bit lighter, we can kind of take it off nice and slow and reapply it if we have to. So we're happy with where it is. So we'll just push down the adhesive area. Once we've done the rear one, go over the adhesive, over the area where the tape is, and push down again just to make sure that it does grab on so it sits nice and firm. So that's how we install the weather shields on a 70 Series Landcruiser. Thank you for watching and have a great day.